Another day, another story. Are you worried about your retirement savings? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into a financial conundrum that affects millions of Americans and has the potential to impact all taxpayers. Stick around because we'll also reveal a game-changing solution that some states are already implementing to tackle this looming crisis. So, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get started. Picture this. Even millionaires are afraid of running out of money during retirement, and most people are just winging it when it comes to their golden years. It's a massive problem that's costing America dearly. Millions of Americans aren't saving enough for retirement, and this looming crisis could cost our country over $1.3 trillion by 2040. But how did we get here? Well, let's crunch some numbers. The Pew Charitable Trusts conducted a study that found over 56 million privately employed Americans have no access to retirement savings programs through their jobs. That's a recipe for disaster. According to the report, this limited savings situation could lead to an additional cost of $964 billion for the federal government and $334 billion for state governments between 2021 and 2040. So, who's going to foot the bill for this massive shortfall? It's you and me. Taxpayers will be left holding the bag as demand for public assistance skyrockets, leading to decreased revenues and a lower quality of life for retirees. But it gets worse. The ratio of retirement-age households to working-age households is projected to increase by 46% by 2040. That means a smaller population of working-age taxpayers will bear the brunt of this $1.3 trillion shortfall. According to Pew, this could mean an extra $13,600 per household in taxpayer liability due to insufficient retirement savings. But fear not, because there's a light at the end of this financial tunnel. Some states have already taken action by introducing state-run individual retirement accounts, or IRAs. These programs allow private employers to offer automated IRAs to their employees, making retirement saving easier. But how do these auto IRAs work? Well, it's simple. Employees have automatic deductions from their paychecks, which are then invested in a retirement savings plan. No cost to the employer, and employees can opt out if they choose. Here's the magic number. To close the retirement savings gap and erase that $1.3 trillion crisis, the average worker only needs to save an extra $140 per month over 30 years. And guess what? Some states are already seeing monthly savings soar above that threshold. Pennsylvania might not have an auto IRA program yet, but change is on the horizon. A bipartisan group of lawmakers in Pennsylvania is working on the Keystone Saves Program Act, which could make the state the 12th to offer auto IRAs. If Pennsylvania adopts this program, it could save the state a whopping $17.8 billion over the next 17 years. That's a game changer for the state's finances and a huge step towards securing a better retirement future for its residents. The retirement savings crisis is real, but solutions like auto IRAs are paving the way for a brighter financial future. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay financially savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.